Have you ever wanted to remove the background of your images in a very fast and easy process using CapCut? In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can remove the background of your images using the free version of CapCut on your mobile phone. Let's dive. So guys, once you are on the CapCut app, this is the interface you see. So you tap on remove background over here. You can see so many options here. So tap on remove background. On that, you see a whole lot of options here. So you tap on the image. So you tap on the image you want to remove its background. So this is the image I want to remove its background. I just highlight it or select it. So I've already highlighted the image I want to remove its background. So I'll then tap on next. This is the image over here. You have to tap on allow CapCut to upload your photos. So guys, as you can see, it have highlighted the particular image from its background. Like it has just selected the particular image from its background. So what I have to do next is to tap on export and you wait for it to get exported. Then we will have to tap on done. So guys, let's check out the image we just removed its background to check if it's really removed the background. So I'm going to Canva to upload in that image to see whether the background is still there or not. So guys, I'm checking. I want to use Canva right now to check if this background is really out of the way. So I just have to tap on it, tap on done, and see if truly CapCut really removed the background, because the background was actually black. So you just want to see the difference and all that. So guys, as you can see, the background has already been removed by CapCut. I can see how neat it is. So guys, you can go ahead and access this feature. It is free. I use my CapCut free version to do this and it looks so amazing. So guys, see you on my next video.